How to create a Wattpad account. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Wattpad application. Now tap on Join for free. Now enter your email address. Now enter your username and password. Now tap on Start Reading. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.